Welcome to the channel, Ahilin here, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to use KDP Rocket. Now KDP Rocket is a must-have tool in 2019 for Kindle publishing. I will leave a link in the description for you where you can access it. You especially want to use this when using Amazon marketing services. Now, I just want to mention, it definitely is a more broad form of finding keywords. However, it is still an effective method. So I'm going to give you a bit of a walkthrough of how it works, and as well as show you the BSR calculator and how to calculate bestseller rank. So first of all, once you purchase the KDP Rocket, I believe it's like $97 or so. Don't quote me on that. I believe it's around there. It is 97. Anyways, so once you've purchased that, you're gonna, this browser is gonna populate. You're gonna install it, download it, and then you're gonna have options, right? You're gonna have keywords, competition, AMS keywords, categories. So for the sake of this video, we're saying AMS, right? So let's find AMS keywords. So I'm gonna type in the ketogenic diet, and then as you can see, it populates a whole bunch of keywords and titles even in its platform, right? And on top of that, you also get the authors' names as well. So all you're gonna do is you're just gonna export, save. Oh, this is example 1. You're just gonna export it, and it's gonna save, and then it should open up a document on the desktop. Okay, let me do that again. Keywords, export. Maybe if I went example. Okay, so instead of doing that, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go example. So this is the keyword document that has been generated from KDP Rocket, right? So you got the keywords, and then you got the author names over here in the next section. So that's how the AMS keyword feature works for KDP Rocket. Now let's look into another feature which I'm going to show you for competition. So as you can see, I've typed in ketogenic diet prior, and it gives me everything, right? It gives me the estimated sales per month, it gives me the daily sales, and then it gives me the age of the book. I'm assuming this is the days of the book and since it's been published. That's interesting. So as we can see, we have some very, very big contenders here, right? So all you need to do is check it out. Let's see what's doing 50 grand. So almost 60K a month. Wow. Oh, I'm not surprised. Yeah, the complete ketogenic diet beginners. So this book by Amy Ramos, and it looks like it wasn't self-published. It was done by an actual publishing company. This book on average makes about 60 grand a month and 2,500 a day. That's pretty impressive. That's extremely impressive. That's really impressive. Wow. And again, this is in nonfiction for the ketogenic diet book. So that's how KDP Rocket works for its AMS features and its competition search feature, right? So all you need to do for AMS is type in keywords that you're looking for, and then it's gonna generate you a bunch of keywords. And then for competition, if you want to scope out the competition, same thing. You just do the competition search, you put in the competition. So for competition for the ketogenic diet, I've come here, and obviously it's stiff. It's stiff. It's very stiff. So it seems like the one making the least amount of money is about $123. That's not too bad. Probably from a self-publisher. Yeah, it's a self-publisher making $123 a month on average, so $5 a day passively. That's not too bad actually. It could be better, definitely, because I recommend making at least at the minimum of 300 a month, especially in a niche like this. So that's how you use KDP Rocket. Now let's go into the bestseller rank. So you can also use this feature as well. So if you want to use KDP Rocket to find out how much they sell per day, you can do that. Like I've just shown you using the competition feature, I should say, and then it's going to give you the estimated sales. But if you want to go a bit further and find out BSR, so let's look at this book over here. I don't think this was self-published, but anyways, wow, 619. So for Kindle, now let's double check if that's for ebooks. Ebook, oh, that's for paperback. So let's do Kindle first. 6,812. Okay, let's check out how much sales that is a day. 6,812. Click here. So this person on average is making 22 sales a day. Again, I'll leave a link in the description for the calculator that you can use. So that's for ebooks. So 22 books a day. That's not bad. So let's look at books. I believe it was around 600, right? Let's check it out. So, oh, it has price. So this has Price Strike activated. So they're making royalties off of $19.99. So basically a $20. They're making royalties off a $20 sale, not $14.25. This is what Amazon has rewarded this person with, this author with, because of them selling well. Now let's take a look. Okay, 619. All right. So 619. That's an extremely good BSR rank for paperbacks. So 97 copies a day, and I can do some quick math right now. So if, let's say, what is it, the paperback, you're making, I think 60 or 70% of the royalties. Let's just say 70 times 0.70. So they're making $14 royalties, and they're making 97 sales a day. So no, that can't be right. Anyways, I don't think that's right. But just use this calculator. It can help you and just give you a gauge on bestseller rank. So that's going to be all for this video. I hope you found it insightful. Please like, subscribe, and share. So remember, KDP Rocket, the link's in the description, and also the KDP calculator is in the description. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.